You need to hear this. And this is for religious people or the extremists. There is a nature in you, a devourer, that makes you want to attack anyone that does not practice what you practice. And in your mind, you call it a service to God. But that is the nature we are talking about. It dresses hatred in the clothes of righteousness. It teaches the heart to hate while the lips shout, God is great, God is great, God is great. You look at those with different beliefs, and something in you rises against them. That thing is not faith. That thing is the sinful nature. But when you receive the life of Jesus, something deeper than religion happens. He does not repent the old heart. He replaces it. He delivers you from that nature and gives you a new and everlasting life. With this new life, you begin to see differently. You see people, not enemies. You see creation, not targets. You see every creature of God as beautiful, as valuable. And love becomes your new language. You will love people unconditionally, no matter the difference, no matter the tribe, no matter the religion, no matter the belief, no matter the past. And people will see this new life as fruit in you. Not because you shouted it from the rooftops, but because your life whispered it every day. Because loving Jesus, loving God, is not by mouth. It is by the life people see.